Hello friends, this is Akina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am going to share with you Disney Frozen cushion cover and cushions. So guys, before starting please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and also share in friend circle. So guys, let's get started. These are some cushions from the movie Frozen and Frozen 2. It is full cushion with Olaf and Elsa print. Some cushions are large in big size and some cushions are small in round shape, as you can see here. It is a decorative item, guys. You can decorate in sofa and chair, and you can decorate kids bedroom. It is especially made for kids also. You can also place in your kids study chair. Very soft cushion. Soft material is used and filled with microfiber. There are many other types of cushion cover like Cinderella, like a Barbie, Doraemon, especially for boys. Price is not much high, guys, because if you go for single cushion, the rates are low, and if you go for entire cushion set, 5-pack and 4-pack with a cover, so rates are high. There are many color and many 3D print like Elsa, Anna, and Olaf printed are most popular print. Olaf. These are 6 in pack. It's a round shape cushion we have already purchased, and if you missed the review, so you can check my playlist. It's a filled cushion. Soft fiber is used and a very soft material. It's a heart shaped cushion, and some are square and some are round. If you want to give your kids room frozen theme, you can definitely go for that cushion. All cushions are perfect for your kids room. It's a Sister Forever print, and it's a Frozen 2 movie theme with Elsa and Anna. These beautiful cushions are made out of polyester fabric, and some materials are cotton and some are polyester. Polyester fabric is never fade, that's why in cushion material is used in polyester fabric, because polyester fabrics are little bit bright and shiny. Brand is Atham Trends, and cushion dimension size is 14 by 14 centimeter. Atham Trends are a well-known brand for Disney, and they are famous for home decorate item like cotton bed sheets and rug carpets. And character they used Spider-Man and Mickey Mouse, Barbies. These characters are popular around the world. A bed without cushion looks empty, so you have to arrange all cushions in decorative way. You can arrange cushion with pillows, and you can arrange cushion with a small size. Yeah, you can arrange cushion with soft toys. Odd number between 3, 5 and 7 cushions can make your bed more interesting. Mix up the size and shapes to keep it more beautiful. And if you go for a long drive, these cushions can make long drive much more comfortable. So you have many options to choose where you have to arrange all these cushions. You can arrange in living room, you can arrange all these cushions in bedroom and study room. And guys, all cushions are washable, and you can wash in washing machine. And if you don't want to wash in washing machine, so you can use a bucket of water with a liquid detergent. All cushions are different brand. So guys, if you purchase online, make sure you read carefully all details and description, and please check rate and review before purchasing. And guys, for other detail, you can also visit my blog www.designerplanetblogspot.com or my website designerplanet.in. Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link in description box. So guys, this was today's videos. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Guys, if you have any queries regarding product, you can ask me and you can mail me. So guys, see you tomorrow for one more videos. Elsa Anna product, Disney Frozen product. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.